Are you new in your health and fitness journey and wanting to put on some muscle mass? If so, stick around.
I know you got all dressed up for the club.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you are not. My name is Addie Gibson and I am a personal trainer. And I am here to share my tips and tricks with you so that you can reach your health and fitness goals. If you're watching this video, that must mean you are wanting to put on muscle mass or potentially undergo some body recomposition, or you're just curious and learning a little bit more about muscle growth. So let's get into it. How do you put on muscle mass? There are two fundamental things you must do to grow muscle. Number one, strength train 3 to 5 times a week. Find a frequency that works for you that you can stay consistent with. And number two, you need to be eating plenty of protein. Protein is your building blocks for muscle growth. Protein, 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 protein. I'm sorry to sound like a gym bro, but protein! Okay, eat your protein. I am dead serious. So how much protein is enough protein? I would say a good rule of thumb is to aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. For example, I am 175 pounds and I am trying to lose body fat and gain muscle mass. So I am eating anywhere from 160 grams of protein a day to 185 grams of protein a day is typically where I fall any given day. Now, if you need some high protein snack options that are easy on the go, then go over to my Amazon storefront to check that out. My link tree will be in the description. Why is protein so important? Why is a high protein diet so important for muscle mass? Protein aids in muscle recovery and muscle regeneration. So when we work out and we strength train and push our muscles, we are actually kind of breaking down that muscle tissue and tearing up our muscles, like micro tears basically, hence some muscle soreness after a high intensity workout. And in order to grow and get stronger and build that muscle mass, we need to refuel the muscle with protein. So after your workout, that's why it's so highly recommended to eat enough protein, because your body needs it to replenish your muscles. Simply put, muscles need protein to grow. All of your macronutrients have a purpose and a goal. Protein, one of your main macronutrients, is needed for muscle growth. Here are some other techniques that are crucial to muscle growth. So we have talked about the fundamentals. You need to strength train and you need a high protein diet. So let's talk about some more nitty gritty stuff that you also need to make sure you're doing in order to succeed. You need to be getting plenty of rest and recovery. If you don't stop and give your muscles an opportunity to rest and recover, they will not grow. Make sure you are implementing progressive overload in your strength training. Make sure you are training all of your main muscle groups in your training week. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. I suggest a half gallon to a gallon a day. Hand in hand with your rest and recovery, make sure you're sleeping at least 7 hours a night. Lastly, stay consistent with your routine. Muscle growth takes time, so give yourself the time that you need. Consistency is going to be your best friend. I will be making videos on each muscle group and exercises that you can do to grow those muscles. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss those videos. Thank you guys so much for hanging out in today's video. I hope this helps. Also, comment down below what you're hoping to see on this channel and what would help you along your health and fitness journey. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, team. Love y'all.